Alright, good morning everyone. This is just a extremely quick down and dirty video. I did up a couple of N-scale Kato Metra F40s here recently. Actually did one that I decided to do a second one because it came out so good. So basically what it is a Kato N-scale Metra F40 that has had its headlight separated out, rear light separated out. It's got independent flashing ditch lights. It's got independent number boards. It's got independent Mars light. It's got independent beacon. I believe I've covered everything, but basically there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 separate lighting effects on here. So I'm basically using a ESU 58941 and a lot of work on a lot of 0402 SMLEDs and stripped Kato or stripped surface mount LEDs from Kato light boards. We made that work, and so I did the F40 behind it first, came out good, so I figured I'd pull from my stockpile of units and do up a Metra 2015 Christmas train. I've got a couple of them here. So anyway, that guy's actually for sale, but that's neither here nor there. So without further ado, I'm going to hit power on here. So I am going to hit headlight. And headlight, the beacon is toggled to that, and then you got your number boards on there that are also lit. I'm gonna, just for the sake of clarity, I'm gonna throw this into reverse, and you can see where the number boards are lit, and then your red marker lights are on. And if I hit headlight off, that'll kill that and that. Next up, I got, what did I put? Mars light is F6, I believe. There we go. And then so if I hit the horn, they alternate. And let's see what else have I got here. Well, let's see. Turn F6 will turn that on. And got the beacon going. I'm just doing this so I can talk. Everybody in my house is asleep right now. Now I'm going to turn the engine sounds on. And there we go. Metra F40 with the full light package. Let's see what I forget. That's ESU sound file SO530, which is for an F40PH. It's been function map and the horn changed. The tail car of this set has a FL12 decoder. I'm not going to flip the train around, but so you have forward and rear marker lights for the tail car on there. There's absolutely no point in putting lighting kits in these Nippon Sharyo bi-level cars because they've got the wraps that are painted over them. You can't see them anyways. Yeah, this is built up identical to the F40 behind it here. So, anywho, hope everybody's having a great day.